Hello, we have already learned about the line command and circle command. In this lecture, we are covering the polyline. So before starting, we are taking auto mode. Now we are drawing a rectangle with the help of the line. Taking first point from here, the length of the first line of the rectangle, say 25. Now say 10. Again taking 25 in this direction and clicking on the endpoint and pressing escape of the keyboard to come out from the line command. Escape. Now the same thing we are drawing with the polyline command. To see the difference, now it is asking the first point or say start point. I am clicking here. Now I am giving the length of the line of the rectangle in this direction, that is 10, as I have given earlier. In this direction 20, in this direction 10 again, and in this direction yes. To come out from the command, press escape. Now, this rectangle has been drawn with the help of the line command, and this rectangle is drawn with the help of the polyline command. So what's the difference? Now to see the difference, we can select this side of the rectangle. Now once we are selecting this side of the rectangle which is drawn by the line command, we can easily understand that this select only the one side of the rectangle. But once we are selecting a side of this rectangle drawn by the polyline, what is happening? Click here to select the side. It is automatically select all the sides. That means a rectangle drawn by the line command is a multi-object part, or you can say all sides are independent. But here it's a single object. It is behaving like a single object. You are clicking on the one side and it is automatically selecting all the sides. This is a single object. That means, suppose we are taking polar mode and we are clicking polyline again, and we draw with the help of some random points. You can easily understand, once we are selecting a single line, it will automatically select it. It is automatically selecting all the lines. That shows that the figure drawn with the help of polyline will become a single object. This is the basic difference of polyline and line. To better understand the polyline command, we have two drawing example. Drawing 1, that is having the different width line segment, and drawing 2, that is having the line and arcs. So we can draw both the drawing with the help of polyline. So we are starting with this drawing 1 with the help of polyline. For this thing, click here. It is asking polyline specify start point. Suppose we are starting from this point, so we are typing here 40, 250. Now we can easily see that from 40250 to 160250, the width is different from this segment. So this is larger than this. So to give the larger width, we have to change the current width. For this thing, we have this width sub command. For taking this width sub command, we are typing W, that is given in the blue color. W, then enter. Currently the given width is 0. So suppose we are typing 10. Now it is asking for the ending width. we have given earlier the starting width, that is 10. Now it is asking the width at this point, because we require same width at both the points. So we are clicking enter, or you can take right click also to accept this same width. Now I am typing the second point, that is 160250. 160,250. Then enter. Now we have to make the lower width. I am taking half width. Now it is automatically taken 5 as I have taken half, but I require little bit lesser width value as earlier, that is 2.5. say that's the starting half width at this point. I am pressing enter. Now it is asking for the width at endpoint, that is this point. I need to have the same value. Then I am pressing enter again. Now I am typing the next point, that is 260,250. 260,250. Pressing enter to accept the value. You can see here different width. Now we have to move down for this point with the same width value, typing 260,180. then enter. Now here again the width is increasing. For increasing value I am giving the width W, then enter. Say 8, then enter. And ending width I am requiring the same value, that is 8. This is a little bit higher. So I am pressing this corner coordinate, that is 260,120. Now I am moving towards this side with the lower width value, like 4. Ending width again 4. I am typing the value of the point. Now I require some bigger width. I am giving the value of width W, then again 10, then again 10, and then I am giving the next point, it is 40,120. I am joining this line at this point, then enter. Now we have to draw this drawing with the help of the polyline. For this thing, suppose we are starting from this point 50220. Take polyline command. It is asking the start point. I am typing 50,220. Now it is giving the width, so I am arranging the width, that is 0. For changing the width value I am taking W as a subcommand alias, and currently the width is 10. I am making it 0 and 0. Now this has become normal. So I am giving the next point, that is 120,220. 120,220. What we can see from this 120,220, the line has become the arc up to 180,220. And what we require, we don't want to come out from the command, and we want to draw this arc with this line continuously. So for this thing, Polyline gives us a lot of subcommands, that is arc, close, half width, length, undo and width. So for arc we can draw line as well as arc within the same command. So to draw the arc at this point, from this point we can take this first command, that is arc. To take this arc, I am clicking A as shown in the blue color. Then enter. Now I am taking the second point, that is 150200. For taking the second point, I am clicking S as alias. Now I am typing the second point, that is 150150, comma 200, and then it is asking the end point of the arc, that is 180220. I am typing 180, comma 220, then enter. Now we can see that arc has been drawn. From here, from this point, end point, we have to draw line again. For taking line again, we can take this line subcommand. For this thing, I am typing L as alias to take the line. Now this polyline has been converted for the line command. Now I am taking the next point, that is 250220. This point, 250, comma 220. Now again the same line, 250, comma 190. From this point again we have to draw the arc. For this thing I am taking arc A and enter. As second point given, taking second point, I am typing S again. I am taking second point, 240, comma 170. Then enter. Again I am taking the end point of the arc, 250, comma 150. Then enter. Now to come out from this arc, I am typing L to select the line. Now I am in line sub mode. Now I am typing 250, comma 120 for the line. I am moving from this point to this point, and this point is 180, comma 120. Again I am taking arc. For taking arc, type A, type S for second point, typing 150, comma 140. Now it is asking the end point, that is 120, comma 120. Again I am taking line from this point towards this. For this thing I am taking line as L. Now typing the next point, that is 50, comma 120. Then enter. Now moving towards this, again next point 50, comma 150. Again I am taking arc. For this arc, type A as alias of arc. Now S for the second point as given, like 60, comma 170. Then enter. Taking the end point, that is 50, comma 190. Enter. Now what I am doing, I am again taking the line command with L, and now clicking on the end point. Now you can take this close. For close, we are selecting C. Enter. This drawing has been